Hello riders, do you want to protect your ride from theft and damage? These are the some damages that been happened when I parked it near my place. So I wanted to avoid this. So I decided to use a security system for my Himalayan. So with which if somebody touches or damages the bike, the alarm gets activated and I'll be able to come out and see. So today I'm using a product which is manufactured by Precol. So basically they manufacture products for Royal Enfield like instrument cluster and other parts. So let's see what's inside the box. It says two-wheeler security system. It comes with a box and 1 year warranty, and this is the company details, and it comes with one unit, two remotes, one siren, wiring harness, and installation manual and user guide. And the features, there are a lot of features, but I'm going to use only the security system. I'm not going to use the engine switch off and switch on option as such because I don't feel it is useful. So let's see what does the box contain or what does the user manual say. So this is the user manual. Please do read before you start using this product. It is very small and it also has a warranty card in it, and you can also find the wiring diagram to connect it. It is pretty easy to connect, and at the last you'll find some general information, and this is the setup, this is the unit, and they have given a fuse so that your device doesn't get short. There's an additional wire connector, you can use it, and this is the main sensor which causes alarm. So if anybody touches your bike, or if there is a slight vibration or slight movement, it activates the alarm. This is the connector, and this is the two yellow wires. So these two yellow wires needs to be connected to the indicator, and you can see here a red and a black wire which is for the power. So I am taking the power directly from the battery. So I've connected the positive and negative, positive to the red and negative to the black, and then I have a connector to the buzzer. So I have placed the buzzer on the left hand side panel where you find the air filters, or you can see that it's inside, so you're not able to see it completely. However, on the left hand side, if you remove that panel where where the air filter be there, you can place it, and this is very simple installation. And let's see how it works. So firstly you should lock your bike, and there's a buzzer that comes in, and for unlocking you can use it. So once you unlock, it will again buzzer. So now I've locked it. Let's see how it works. So if there is a slight disturbance, see like this, and it is not too sensitive also. For example, if somebody just touches it or something falls on the bike, it doesn't alarm. So if some movement has to happen, then it will alarm, and first time it will beep twice, and afterwards if that motion continues, it keeps blinking, or the alarm keeps ringing until you unlock it. So once you unlock it, it will get switched off, and if you want to activate it again, you should lock it. Now let us see some of the product details. This product is available on Flipkart with 1110 rupees, which is a pretty good price, and the unit comes with a siren, central unit, and two remote system, and a wiring harness as well. So basically this is the product details. The alarm frequency is about 115 dB, which is very loud, and the indicator type is siren, and operating distance is about 100 meters. The remote can operate at a distance of 100 meters, and it has different sensors like electric shock sensor, vehicle finder, and other things. Lock type is remote, and it is very light in weight as well. And as I see, the quality of the product seems to be very good. The plastic finish is really good. I don't feel like it is very heavy. It is very easy to carry, and it is small as well. It fits in my pocket. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you with some more videos in the coming future. Until then, take care. Bye bye.